Hello and welcome back to another helpful and friendly episode of English with Altaf. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that many learners struggle with confidence in speaking English. We'll share real tips and practical advice to help you feel more confident when you speak. So, if you've ever felt shy, nervous, or afraid to speak English in front of others, this video is just for you.
That's right, Annie. Confidence is the key that opens the door to speaking better English. Today we'll explain what stops us from speaking confidently, how to overcome those fears, and how to practice daily, even if you are alone. By the end of this video, you will feel more motivated and ready to speak English without fear.
Let's start by understanding the main problem. Why do people feel scared or shy to speak English? The number one reason is fear of making mistakes. Many people think, what if I say something wrong? Or, what if others laugh at me? But remember, everyone makes mistakes. And that's how we learn. Even native speakers make small mistakes. Making mistakes means you are learning something new.
Exactly, Annie. I always tell my students, don't be afraid of mistakes. Be afraid of silence. Staying quiet is the real problem, not speaking wrongly. When you speak, even with small mistakes, your brain starts learning faster. Confidence grows with action. The more you speak, the more comfortable you will feel.
Another reason people lack confidence is because they compare themselves with others. They think, she speaks better than me, or he knows more vocabulary than I do. But this is not helpful. Everyone has their own learning journey. Your only competition is your past self. Think about how much you've already learned and celebrate your progress.
That's such a good point, Annie. And to build confidence, you don't need to wait until your English is perfect. Start speaking today, even with simple sentences. You can talk to yourself in the mirror, describe your day in English, or even record your voice. When you hear yourself speaking English, you'll slowly become more confident.
Yes, one small step every day makes a big difference. Even saying one sentence like, I am going to the market or I like mangoes out loud can help. And if you can, try to speak with friends, teachers, or even online speaking partners. But if you have no one to practice with, don't worry. Speaking alone is also powerful.
Let me share a tip I personally use with my students. It's called the shadowing method. You listen to a native speaker, then repeat exactly what they say, like an echo. You can find videos, podcasts, or English shows. Play a short clip, pause, then say the same thing. It builds pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence.
That's a great method. And here's another tip. Change the voice in your mind. Instead of saying, I can't speak English well, say, I am learning and improving every day. Positive self-talk really helps. Your brain listens to what you say to yourself, so always be kind and encouraging to yourself.
Absolutely. And sometimes the problem is not English, it's our mindset. When we feel nervous, our mind creates fear. But if you change your thoughts, you change your confidence. Say to yourself, it's okay to be nervous. I will still try. I am brave. That little change in thinking can make a big difference.
Also, prepare some sentences or topics in advance. For example, if you're going to a shop, practice how to ask for prices. If you're going to a meeting, prepare your introduction. When you're prepared, you feel more confident. And when you speak successfully, even once, it gives you the energy to speak again.
Exactly. And you know what else helps? Celebrate your small wins. Did you speak one sentence in English today? That's a win. Did someone understand you? That's another win. Give yourself a small reward. Confidence is built step by step, not in one day.
Another tip is to watch English videos with subtitles. Listen carefully and repeat. You will get familiar with how words are spoken. And when you hear the same phrases again and again, you will naturally start saying them. That builds fluency and removes fear.
Yes, and don't worry if your grammar is not perfect. Focus on communication first. Grammar can be corrected later. The goal is to speak and express yourself. The more you speak, the more you'll understand how to use correct grammar naturally over time.
Let's talk quickly about body language. Sometimes just standing straight, smiling, and speaking clearly can make you feel more confident even if you're a little nervous inside. The way you carry yourself gives power to your words.
Yes, confidence is not only in the words, but also in how you say them. Speak slowly, breathe deeply, and look up, not down. You'll feel stronger. And always remember, confidence is not something you're born with. It is something you build with practice.
Let's quickly go over the main tips we shared today to build confidence in English speaking. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Don't compare yourself with others. Practice daily, even alone. Use the shadowing method. Talk to yourself kindly. Prepare sentences in advance. Celebrate small wins. Use body language to feel strong.
Exactly. And remember, confidence is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Every time you speak English, you are building that muscle. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start today, right now. Speak one sentence, then speak another tomorrow. That's how confidence grows.
We hope this video gave you the motivation and tools to start speaking English with more confidence. Believe in yourself. You are capable. You are improving, and you are not alone.
Yes. And keep watching English with Altaf for more easy and helpful lessons. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep speaking, keep learning, and stay confident. That's right.
In today's video, we learned how to gain more confidence in speaking English. We talked about letting go of fear, practicing every day, staying positive, and using easy methods to improve step by step.
Confidence doesn't come all at once. It comes from action, effort, and belief in yourself. So take that first step today, and remember, we believe in you. Thank you for watching English with Altaf.